Hello everyone, welcome back to my live trading today. Today Tuesday, and how about your trading journey? How about your trading result? Okay, so you can see on the chart that these trend lines I draw last Saturday, right? And you can see that this trend line, and when the candlestick in the 4-hour time frame, it touched to the bright zone 33.46, 33.36, 33.36 to 33.37, and now it's still in the bearish. Okay, it's still in the bearish at the moment. And also you can see here when it touched the on the 4-hour time frame, once again you can see that it has the bullish reaction at this EMA 89. EMA 89, and this is supporting for the current recover of the bullish. Okay, but that is just a slightly adjustment, right? Just a slightly adjustment of the market. And you can see that from the early London session, the market already starting the bearish momentum. Okay, the market is dropping from the early London session until now. And if you are joining in my VIP signal group, is that we have the buy signal. Buy signal at entry 33.90, 32.93, to 32.91, and already gained 40 pips. And also I also noted to you my signals from my gold trading plan, and it seems like that we missed a few pips because it touched the bright zone 32.87.48. So it seems like 4 pips before it touched to our entry zone. Okay, so that's just fine. If we missed, we can find another opportunity. Okay, and if you want to receive more scalping signal, welcome to my VIP signal group, and you can click into the link I put in the description box so that you can send me the direct message, and I can instruct you to join in my VIP signal group. Hello my friends, hi. Welcome to my live trading today. And now I can see that the market had a slightly adjustment, recover momentum after the continuing bearish momentum. Two engulfing candle, two bearish engulfing candle, and one pin par, but it indicates for the bearish. And now it just started the 4-hour candles. Okay, the new candles of 4-hour time frame would just form just 5 minutes ago, and now at the moment the bullish is on the game, because of the EMA 89 on the 4-hour time frame. And I still remain the drawings which I draw last weekend. Do you still remember last weekend? If you join in my previous live session on last Saturday, Saturday, I draw these trend lines and resistance and support zone on this one, and I still keep it. I still keep the resistance note to you. And this entry zone, it's make the market dropping, continuing 34.36, 34.36 bright zone. And remember, these are the according to my weekly trading plan, and I usually upload it on my Telegram channel on every Sunday. Yeah, I used to launches every Sunday. And if you want to receive my plan as soon as possible, you can join in my Telegram community by clicking to the link that I put in the description box. And it's all free, no cost at all. Okay, so let's say the market have any good signal at the moment, so that I will inform you so we can trade real time together. Yeah, thank you so much, Salim. Okay, so let's review a bit about today's news. Okay, oh, it just released two orange news about USD currency. That is a good core durable goods orders month over month. Yeah, so it's kind of not important for today, and the markets have slightly recovered at the moment based on the news. Yeah, so sometimes this good news, right? Good news for USD, but it's also support for gold. Okay, you can see that. Let's go back to the smaller time frame. Okay, and you can see this when the news release here. Yeah, it's support for gold. It's support for gold price. So we must wait for the market about 15 minutes right after the news release, so that we have the correct analysis for the market movements. Okay, get rid of the case that the market is being manipulated. So that is my small tip for you if you want to trade news. Yeah, just wait, be patient, wait for about 15 to 20 minutes after the news release, so that we can do the analysis better. Okay, so I will go back to the 4-hour time frame to have the broader view about the market today. Yeah, in the early Asian session, when it touched the peak here, and it still follow the trend line that I draw on my 4-hour time frames. Yeah, even though they have long wicks or short wick, but yeah, you can see that it still have the reaction with the trend line. And yeah, you can see this small gap here. Okay, I will zoom it out for you to see it's better. Yes, this is gap. So as I usually say that in the early Monday Asian session, the market will always open the gap. So we don't know what is gap up or down. So our mission is just waiting once again, wait for the market more stable, so that we can have the right movement, right analysis for our trading strategy. And I also uploaded some videos about Nova Magic trading method, so that I usually use the combo, which is the combinations between 2 to 3 conditions, like EMA and trend line, yeah, something like that. Or sometimes it's Dow theory, apply Dow theory or breakout, yeah, to identify the breakout point, so that I can do the analysis for this gapping signal. And usually it gains from 50 pips, and the signal that I did the analysis is more than 200 pips. Yeah, now it's already this series already prepared until part 4, and I hope that you can watch it. And yeah, if you have the same strategy with Nova, I'm very happy if you're same me. because I do not use anything complicated and I do not use too much indicators. You know, sometimes using too much indicators, especially in the markets, have big volatilities. It's not good for your trading. Yeah, because firstly is the slow indicators, which is already formed. It will be formed right after the candlestick close. So and you cannot use it to trade news as well. And myself find that the EMA is the most stable indicators that I can use from times to times, from years to years, from months to months. Yeah. And you need to know the basic knowledge about how to identify the trend line, how to identify the resistance and support zones. Yeah, those are the basic knowledge that for you, that help you to do your to have a good knowledge, okay, about the technical analysis. So you have to learn by heart those basic knowledge. Yeah, basic lesson. Yeah, combinations. Do we get a live signal today? Okay, so at the moment the price is at 29. Yes, of course. And now I will have a scalping signal for you as the entry zone. Okay, buy gold at the 32.96 to 32.93. Okay, so please pay attention a bit about this entry zone. Okay, so far the market is at the 32.99. Okay, so don't be hurry. All we need is be patient and wait until it's active our signal. Okay, so let's go back to the smaller time frame. Okay, it's already 89. Okay, you can set the limit order. Okay, so it's coming back. I hope that this signal will be active. Okay, so don't worry about this. Okay, so hang on a second that I need to check the entry zone. Yeah, just a bit waiting. Okay, one price left to the entry zone. And remember, we are already in the New York session, so the scalping signals will be moved quickly. Okay, so we need to be ready and everything should be handled quickly, okay, steadily. Okay, and I would like to revise a bit about this entry zone is that 96 to 94. Okay, and one and a half price that it will reach our first entry. Okay, cute. Okay, let's go back to the 15-minute time frames to see what is moving, what is going on here. Okay, just have a it's coming back to retest again, and yeah, this signal is based on the support zone here. This is our entry zone. And you can see here is the slightly down theory. And this is the breakout area here. Okay, so let's see the market support us or not. Yeah, we have buy signal here. You can see that on the chart. I put the signal on the chart. Okay, so Mr. President Donald Trump, he keeps on changing his decision. Yeah, you know that last week he's had the announcement about the imposing 50% tariff to the European Union, didn't him? And now his new decision is pending. Yeah, he's pending to impose this tariff news. Okay, so this is the making the gold pressure less more pressure. Gold markets have more pressure of the selling. So that's why the markets have the strong bearish momentum at the moment. Okay, so we will wait this signal coming back to the support zone, the breakout area that I draw on the chart, and don't be patient. Don't be hurry. Sorry, don't be hurry for any decision. Okay, the best thing is being patient. And I can say that the market is very hard to trade recently because of the news. They're not important news on the Forex Factory, but the news about the decisions of Mr. President Donald Trump make the market manipulated. Yeah, make the market manipulated. So every move, we need to wait for the best position in your trading, because you know that the big players like I usually call them as sharks. They know where you set the stop loss order, and then you set the you enter the trade and set the stop loss, but they will make the market hit your stop loss and then reverse. So it causes you very annoyed feeling when you trade, and make you very pressure when you do any when you decide any decision, right? Okay, so we have, I just saw that we have 96.5. Okay, it's coming to the 96 area. It's coming to the 96 right zone, so you can execute the signal by yourself. Okay, so it's at the entry zone 96. Okay, are you on? Are you already in this signal already? Can you type the entry zone? Okay, where are you? Are you still in the live trading with me? Okay, if yes, if you're already in this scalping signal, type your entry so let me know that's your entry zone. Okay, so now we have the support from the EMA and the breakout area combined with the support zone. So I believe that this is the good conditions for the buy signal. Okay, 95, yeah, touch wood. Okay, good luck to all of us. Yeah, with the proper risk management. Yes, always. We need to always follow that. And you shouldn't enter too much entry because it's hard for you. Sometimes it will cause you the confused to manage your trades, yeah, your orders. Okay, so it's coming back to 96. Okay, blow it up everyone, blow it up. Okay, blow up the candle with me. Yay, 20 pips running. Okay, and remember the lessons is that whenever you gain around 30 pips, you can consider closing a part of your trade and hold the rest for the further profit. Okay, so whenever it's coming back to the entry zone, that's just fine because you already set the stop loss order. And when we are traders, yeah, we need to prepare the best psychology. Accepting the stop loss is the part of the game. Okay, so now it's just coming back to the entry zone. So yeah, in my opinion, it's just a very, very normal situation. Okay, and anyone following my last weekly trading plan? So anyone have the sell signal at the entry zone 33.46 as on the resistance zone I know to you on my last Saturday live session? If yes, yeah, congratulations to all of you that are nearly 100 pips, nearly 100 price you gain already for this sell signal at the resistance zone 33.46. Okay, so yeah, let's have a week at the moment. Just wait. Let's go back to the smaller time frame so we can see the candles moving faster. And nothing increase forever and nothing decrease forever. Okay, I will also draw the trend line here. Yeah, you can see that this is the trend line of this gapping signal. So this gapping signal is having too much conditions to support this. Okay, it's hard for you to see. I will change the color of the circle. Okay, so this is our entry zone. And yeah, is it difficult for you to identify the trend line and resistance or support zone? You can see if you watch the charts many times, you can do it. You can imagine for the trend line without drawing it. Yeah, but this is need your practice. Okay, this time the market is challenge our analysis and our patience. Yeah, you know, in a good day we have the scalping signal on the like YouTube together. The market sometimes support us and it increase steadily, right, for the buy signal, or decrease like lightning, dropping sharply. But this time when it's moving up or down like this, the market is challenging our patience and our psychology. So together we trade real time, and I also help you to get used to with the market. Okay, get used to it. And let's say this candlestick moving at this area. About 3 minutes left that this candlestick from 5-minute time frame will close. I layer every time I can handle it if it's not the news time. Yeah, and also we need to watch the multiple time frames to identify the main momentum at that area at that time. Okay, like, yeah. So now in the 4-hour time frames, this is the green candles. Okay, and yeah, in the big time frame like 4 hours, now it's green. The bearish, the bullish is on the game. So yeah, we have more conditions, another conditions for this buy scalping signal. Okay, and I usually identify the main trend by observing the bigger time frames like daily or 4 hour, and smaller one in 1 hour time frames. So that is the tips for you to trade. Yeah, you need to watch the multiple time frames. Okay. Okay. And yes, you can see that this is my entry zone from this signal. Yeah, hell yeah, I'm still holding for this signal. The daily signal is still active. Okay, so let me tell you this, because daily, yeah, you call this daily signal, right? And I usually call it my gold daily trading plan, and I will wait until the end of the New York session end. Okay, until the end of the New York session. If that signal are still not active, and I will cancel it. Okay, and those signal just valid only a day, within a day. Okay, so that is my regulation I set for my daily scalping signal, and I don't hold it until tomorrow. Tomorrow there will be another analysis by updating to the movement of the market, and I will update any new signals if available. Okay, and for the daily plan, I had the valid time for those scalping signals of my gold trading plan is just wait until the end of New York session. Okay, so I hope you can understand and trade well. Yeah. Okay, so whenever it touched to 30 pips and it's coming back to the entry zone, and it's still following the trend line that I draw on the chart. Yeah, you can see it. And I can count that there are 4 conditions for this gapping signal. Okay, let's review the lesson together. Okay, and finally we have the 89. Yeah, 30 pips. And I hope that from every live trading session that we trade real time together, not only live signal that I supply to all of you, but also the strategies that I'm using to do the analysis for any gapping signal, and it will help you to have more knowledge, okay, to have more lesson about how to use the indicators and technical analysis together to set up the strategy for your trading journey. And yes, 99. Okay, it's coming back to, yay, 3,300 already hit. Okay, and 50 pips. 50 pips. Okay, yeah. Can I see your flying hearts and flowers? Okay guys, if you love Nova, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to receive the notifications whenever I have the live trading session notification. Okay, thank you very much for your kind support. And yes, it's officially break out the strong resistance at the level $3,300. Okay, and now we have 70 pips. Yeah, 4 conditions combined together, and we have a very qualified gapping signal at this entry zone 32.96 to 32.94. Okay, and congratulations all of my friends that you have 95 at the entry zone. Okay, congratulations to all of us. Do you like trading more often? Okay, regarding to the VIP gapping signal, because I need more time to focus on that, because you know that I wake up so early every single day. You can ask my friends, because I usually receive the question that, why Nova, can you wake up so early until 3 a.m. in the morning in France time? Because I can realize that the early Asian session will bring you a lot of profits, and yeah, that's in my happiness, so that I can help you to do it better and improve your trading result. And if you want to receive more scalping signal and qualify and good signals like this, you can join my VIP signal group and sending me the message by clicking to the link that I put in the description box, so that I can instruct you join in my VIP community easily. Yeah, I believe that. Hell yeah, okay. More 10 pips we get, right? Wow, really touch good today. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, I can realize that the 4-hour time frames, the main momentum is the bullish. So I'm very confident. So whenever the markets move up and down, just within the bright zone, our entry zone, that's just fine. And we prepare already for the psychologies, accepting the stop loss is a part of the game, don't we? So it's very easy for us to relax when we trade, because I understand that whenever you touch to the buy or sell button on your screen, it's very quickly. Yeah, it's like a lightning moment, but the result will bring to you very negative or positive. It's based on your analysis, right? Yes, so that if we impose the lessons about proper risk management, like a friend just interact with me remind me about that's the name of the lesson, risk management lesson. And we know the qualified scalping signal. Okay, so that is very easy and enjoyable for us to trade. Okay guys, today is really touch good. Yay. And yeah, I also have my own gift. Okay, so I hope that you have the gift like me as well. Okay, the price keep coming up. You see that the trend line EMA, yeah, and support zone, and the main momentum that on the 4-hour time frames, those combines together, and we have the scalping signal, and I hope that it will touch our take profit too. Okay, I really hope that. Let's see the broader time frame, like 4-hour. Yeah. Okay, so this is the support zone of the EMA 89 on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so I believe that you can hold this buy signal for your further profit, because this area is the FBG. Okay, this area. And in my personal comments is that I can hope this green candle will fill this FBG area. Okay, so we can be confident to hold this buy scalping signal for longer take profit. Yeah, it is. And you can consider to set the break even, which means move the stop loss to your entry. Okay, you can consider about this. And this is my view on the big time frames, like 4-hour. Okay, and let's see the daily. Oh, the dailies have a week already, but it's quite big for you to watch because we already have the scalping signal. Yeah, so we need to see the 1-hour and 4-hour time frames. That is okay for you. And yes, and let's go back to the 5-minute time frames. Okay. Oh, where's my photos about this? Here, it's quite far. Make it closer. Oh, I want to show it. I want to show the photos. Okay, it's here. Yeah, reset. It's disappear again, even though I make it closer. How annoying it is. Okay, so ignore it. And yeah, it's coming back to retest the trend line. Okay, it's coming back, and I guess that this is a bounce back for this signal. And yes, you need to understand that nothing can increase forever, right? It needs to retest and then bounce back. That's like a spring. You can understand the movement of the spring, and you can impose it for the market movement. Okay. Yeah, Nova, thank you so much. Hello, Mike. Yeah, congratulations for you, because yeah, today we together have profit together. Yay. And yes, as I share with you that in my VIP community, I not only have the gold signal, but also the currency pairs, so that you can choose which one you prefer to trade. Okay, and also on my Telegram channel, I upload about Bitcoin, BTC USD analysis every single day. Okay, so that you can have another opinion, another point of view about your trading if you are fond of trading crypto. Yeah. And you can see that the level $3,300 is the stable and the psychology level of any traders, right? Because whenever it's just break down for 32 88, and then it's coming back, there's a buyer and make the market increase once again. Okay, so let's see the market, and in my point of view, the buy signal here is still good for you to hold it for the longer position, the longer profit. Okay, I can see your joy for your joy, yeah, your happiness when we have victory together. Okay, love you. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, and that's it, my big motivation so that I can develop my signal. Okay, better and better for all of you. And just to remind you a bit is that I am having a plan for anyone feeling that you are too much pressure in trading and you have your friends having the same passion in trading, and Nova is looking for partners that we can cooperate together so that you can have commission from me and improve your profit. Okay, improve your earning money. Okay, improving your income in spite of trading. Okay, besides trading. Okay, and this job is require no capital. Okay, require no capital. And if you want to explore this new job, you can send me the direct message, and there's a lot of options that you can choose, and yeah, together we making money. And it's very easy, I believe it. Okay, so now when the market having the retest, yeah, it's coming back to retest the EMA zone, and now it's continuing the bullish trend. Okay, so now the market is just having a sideways a bit, and now you can see it's stuck between two EMA, right? So now just wait. Yeah, it's stuck between this zone, two EMA. Yeah, still continue breaking and coming to our further take profit. believe in yourself, believe in Nova trading analysis, so that you can have a lot of gifts. Okay, so meanwhile waiting for this movement, I would like to coming back to the 4-hour time frames, and together we did the analysis for this, for the market, and I'll plan to trade tomorrow. Okay, because this week I don't have tomorrow I don't have any live schedule, so I will discuss with you, I will share with you a bit about my personal view for tomorrow plan. And you can see that it's still under the trend line. We can lengthen it. Okay, and yes, this is the crossover between two trend line, and the market already chose the bullish, okay, the bearish side from this crossover point. And if today until the end of the US session, if the candle break let's say 33 and 43, okay, if the candle breaks this trend, and yes, maybe tomorrow there will be the bullish momentum at the from tomorrow trading in the Asian session. Okay, and I believe so. There's a lot of chance that the bullish will coming back to the market. Because nowadays that the news about war, Russia and Ukraine is still stressful. Okay, there's no peace negotiation set up. So now the gold is still considering the safe haven asset. Yeah, the safe haven asset at the moment. Okay, so this is our mark. Yeah, and you can see my support and resistance zones that I noted on my gold trading plan. Oh, I just dropped my phone. I just dropped it. Okay, so this trend line zone will be your mark, and we need to observe it until the end of the New York session. Okay, and this is the FVG area, and you can see that the bolus is still supporting for the market at the moment, and I hope this will remain until the end of the US session. Okay, and I believe that this is buy scalping signal, maybe the buy at the top, buy at the bottom. Okay, this is maybe the buy at the bottom in the New York session today. Okay, go back to 15-minute time frames. All right, it's coming back to the entry zone again, and yeah, you can say that the price is still stuck between those area, the trend line. It touched the trend line and then bounced back, and this is a very normal reaction of the market, and you can be patient to hold for the longer profit. And remember, never forget to set the stop loss order, and this is very important for you. Okay, Patrick, the period of her EMA. Yes, this is my EMA condition. My inputs, yeah, my inputs EMA 8, 32 and 89. Okay, thank you so much, for replying this question of Patrick instead. on behalf of me. And Travis, you can send me the direct message so that I will send you the job description so that you can choose the option you want and we can discuss further about this. And no capital required. Yeah. Okay, so anything else you need to ask me? Because there are 9 minutes left that I will close my live trading session. Okay, thanks Patrick. Yeah. Okay. And yes, the market is just having the reaction at this zone, as I usually call it, the sideways. So we need to be patient because it's already had the rapid increasing. Yeah, it's a rapid bolus a few minutes ago, and this is like the rest. The market is resting before reaching to the further profit. Okay, and if you don't have any question, I would like to off my live trading today. And thank you very much for joining in today's live trading session with Nova. And congratulations all of us once again for the buy signal at entry zone 33.86, 96 to 94. And this signal is already gained 80 pips. Okay guys, see you in the next live trading session, and don't forget to like and subscribe for YouTube of Nova to receive the useful videos and also live session. Okay, have a nice day and never forget to set the stop loss order. Okay, see you next time. Goodbye.